Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Zikri Al Furqan, and right now I will presenting about the introduction to literature book that I have choose before. So the book that I choose is titled The Broad View Introduction to Literature, second edition, by the general editors Lisa Kelikoff, Neta Garden, and Paul Lumsden. So this book actually used for the college student in Canada to learn about literature. So this book using the Canadian standard, and I prefer to choose this book for my way to learn about literature. So let's move to what we will need to do this time, which is what is the definition of introduction to literature that I got from this book. The first one is a foundational survey of literary study. Actually, an introduction to literature is a foundational survey that teaches students how to read, interpret, and respond to literary texts across genres. It combines tools for close reading, or how language works at the sentence or line level, knowledge of genre and form like poetry, short fiction, drama, and nonfiction, and frameworks for situating texts in historical, cultural, and theoretical contexts, so students can produce clear evidence-based interpretation and argumentative writing. Next is what we learn in this book. Core learning outcomes from this book is close reading skills, annotating, paraphrasing, identifying figurative language, sound, diction, and syntax, imaginary, and tone. Next is literary vocabulary, metaphor, simile, enjambment, matter, irony, unreliable narrator, dramatic irony, and so on. The next is genre conventions, how poetry, short fiction, drama, and essays achieve effects differently, like dramatic staging versus interior narrations. Next is formal elements like plot, character setting, point of view, structure, theme, dialogue, and rhythm. Next is historical or cultural context, how social or historical forces shape meaning, periods, movement, cultural background, introduction to literary theory, basic critical approach, formalism or new criticism, historicism, feminism, Marxism, proto-colonialism, reader response, queer theory at practical level of interpretation. Next is academic research and writing, building a textual argument using evidence, quoting, paraphrasing, MLA or in structures, formatting, drafting, and revision. So we move to the next page. Systematic organization of introduction to literature. The model provides some foundations, which is about what is literature and the tools that used for reading. The next is the poetry, start from the form, rhythm, and meaning. The next is fiction, start with the plot, narration, and character. The next is drama, like stagecraft, dialogue, and performance. And the next is context and critical approach, like theory, history, and culture. So it's like how that how things that make literary works can be conveyed into the reader, watcher, listener, and other. The last one is applications and implementations of introduction to literature in our real life work. So the first one is the critical thinking and analytical skills that we get from analyzing text, dialogue, and so on. The next one is academic writing and argumentations. The next one is creative and comparative analysis activities. And the last one is transferable skills like media literacy, clarity in communication, and so on. So that's it, everyone. My name is Muhammad Zikri Al Furqan with the student number 240190056 from the class NK224, learning introduction to literature with Ma'am Leni Marlina. And that's it, my video about presenting about my book for introduction to literature. Thank you very much.